Forex Trading Guide for Beginners. Know these 5 terms. Forex trading activities are now starting to be in demand by almost all walks of life. In the past, Forex trading would only be conducted by a large proportion of moneyed entrepreneurs or investors who had sufficient funds or capital. However, at this time many of them rollicking into Forex trading to get profits, both old, young, professional circles, and those who just want to learn about Forex trading. If you are one of those who began to want to dive into the world of Forex trading, but do not yet have much experience and knowledge in this world, then it helps you know the 5 things that need to be used as a Forex trading guide for beginners. 1. Forex. Forex can also be interpreted as a trading market in selling and buying currencies globally. Later, here you can buy and sell a variety of global currencies. There is a separate reason why many people plunge into this world to seek profits, one of which is the velocity of money in this market is huge when compared to other markets, such as stocks or bonds. 2. Spread. Spread is a condition where we have 2 different types of currencies that will be sold and bought in this market later. The buying and selling process will also be done simultaneously at one time. The first currency will be used as the base currency, while the second currency will be used as the quote currency. The concept works so that when we make a purchase, we expect that the base currency will increase, whereas if we make a sale, we expect that the quote currency will increase. 3. Leverage. Leverage will be difficult to understand if you don't master the basics of the Forex Trading Guide for Beginners. Therefore, it is very important to understand it because leverage also has a very important role in Forex trading. Leverage allows us to open positions in Forex trading. With the leverage, we can be able to take a position that is greater than the balance that we have later. Therefore, those who are experts and understand in this world will more often use leverage very well, because it will greatly affect the loss or profit that will be obtained later. 4. Risk. As the name implies, this is a chance of failure that you will experience in Forex trading later. If you can imagine the risk that will occur later in the decision you will take in the middle of Forex trading, then you will be easier to decide to take the decision. This will usually have more effect with your expertise playing on leverage. If you are good at determining and playing leverage following your style of play, the risk you will experience will be even smaller. 5. Swap. Swap is a fee where you allow a currency pair that you sold or bought before. In other words, you make overnight accommodations on the position at that time. This fee depends on the policy of the country that issued the currency, so it would be better to also find more information about this. Those are 5 terms that you need to know in the Forex Trading Guide for Beginners. By understanding it, you will be easier to dive into Forex trading, even though you are a beginner. Click the link below in the description to learn more.